Hello, I'm Master123, and yes, I know it's been a while since I posted, but for the holidays, I thought I'd get started again. So today I'm going to show you this cool interactive trick. So um, go get your cards, and we will get started. Alrighty, so what we're going to do, so we're going to go through the deck and take out any three of a kind you'd like, four of a kind, sorry. So I'm going to take out the 4 twos, and you can take any four of a kind you'd like out. And then once you have that, you're going to set them to the side, and then you're going to take 20 random cards. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. You don't need the rest of the deck. And now what you're going to do, you're going to spread out the 20 cards, and you're going to put the 4 cards face up randomly in this pile right here. Square it up. And so now what we're going to do, you can cut if you want, but you don't have to. So now what we're going to do is we're going to alternate the cards. So we're going to go down first card, and we're going to flip the next card. It's easier if you close your eyes and do it because you won't get confused with the face-up cards. So we're going to do down, flip, 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 down, flip. And you can flip the cards, you don't have to. And then for the next one, we're going to go 2 cards. So you can either put them down or flip them. So down or flip. Either flip or put down, 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 either flip or put down. Square up the cards. So now we're going to do the same thing, but with 4 cards. Either flip or put down, 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 other flip or put down. Again, this is a free choice. And then now what we're going to do, we're going to make 2 alternating piles, just like this. Okay, so you can choose, and then now we're going to make bookends. So we'll close like a book. So you can either put this like that one, or do that like that. You can do it like this. And then when you spread the cards out, you should notice there are only, if you did it right, there are only 4 face-up cards in the pile. Alright, that's it. Please don't forget to subscribe, guys. I promise you that I'll get more videos up when I get to it. But thank you for watching.